If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and welcome to the first swap of 2021. I'm so super excited to start the year off with a refreshing swap. Nothing like that to kick off the 2020 new year that is going to be fabulous. We will speak those things. So all of the information that I mentioned in this swap will be linked down below via my website. So be sure to check it out. If you're coming from Instagram, you'll be able to sign up here or you can DM me. But definitely check the link in the description box to get all of the written information that I might miss in this video because it is pretty early. So I'm doing this before work. So the name of the swap, as you can tell in the title, is New Beginnings 2021 first swap of the year. So this is how my swap will come packaged, and I think it is super cute. The only thing that's missing on here obviously is my information, or if I want to personalize the swap. So it's just super cute. I love creating these little samples for you guys to get an idea of what I'm thinking of when I host or open up a new swap. So as always, there's no new rules in 2021. The only thing we're adding is people from Instagram to have a crafty Instagram page, an active crafty Instagram page that can wants to participate. So still the same, you must live in the United States or have a United States address. You must not have flaked or been late in a previous last two swaps, and you must have crafty videos currently uploaded on your YouTube channel. So I do check that. So that's just a for sure thing. That's always been. So anyway, let's just jump right into the swap. The reason why it's called New Beginnings, besides the fact it's a new year, the first swap of the year, 2021, we're going to be doing three things in this swap. You'll be in groups of 4, so you will make and send 3, and they must fit in the padded priority envelope. So if you're making me one, just assume that 3 can fit into your priority envelope. So you will be creating a 3D memory decks card, and I will show you my example and some other examples. You'll be creating a planner dangle and a sequin mix. So I'll explain all of those right now. So yeah, this is my packaging. We're gonna go ahead and get this open. I think this is so cute. I created this page flag tassel, super cute embellishment. I added some ribbon to the top, folded it over, made like a little page flag there, and I'm using Mente Happy Place paper collection. All right, so we're going to start out with the sequin mix. You must have at least 1 tablespoon in your sequin mix. And the reason why we're doing a sequin mix or a shaker mix is because in 2021, with the New Beginnings theme, we want to shake things up. We don't want it to be like 2020. So we want to shake some stuff up, do good things, and have a turnaround. So put your favorite shaker mix inside some type of container or bag or whatever you're going to put it in. I'm using these little shot glasses from the Target Dollar Spot. I did a haul on these, and I just added a little bit of ribbon to the top of the little dangle. And I have more than a teaspoon in here, but these are my favorite colors. I don't have any mint sequin, but I would have added it. But it's gold and silver and pink and reflective and seed beads, and it's just a happy mix. So I'm shaking things up with my super cute shaker mix. That's the first thing for the New Beginnings. The next thing we want to include is a planner dangle. So with the New Beginnings theme, we start new planning, new year for new planning for things to come and getting organized, or weight loss or meal plans or cleaning or whatever it is that you have, and you're wanting to jot that down, even if it's a journey for yourself of self-discovery, and you're writing it or you're putting it in a planner. You're going to need a planner dangle. Something dainty, something cute, something simple. So we're doing that for New Beginnings when you're starting your planner journey. So, or whatever, you can put it on a mini album, you know, what have you. But the idea is to create it as if it is going on a planner, so you don't want anything super chunky. So I just had it attached to a piece of the paper with some seam binding, and I use these Project Life shaped paper clips. You can also use hairpins to do a little dangle. You can let me see, I think I had another little clip here. You can use one of these little clips, a bull nose clip, anything like that. You can even make it, you know, something like this, have a little charm on the bottom. So you just want to have a little dangle. And on mine, and you want to have see the website for all the little bead requirements, but this is how mine's look. Very simple, very cute, clips right on a page. I did a live, so I mean, it clips right there. You can have your dangle wherever you want it at on here. So it would be this way, or, you know, flip it to the other side. Just super cute, I think. Have something. I have different dangles on mine depending on my mood. So anyway, you want to include a planner or a little charm dangle because you're going to be planning your new beginnings. And then finally, we want to add a 3D memory decks card. Now, this is how mine will come packaged. I have a box that I created, and I put my window here in the corner so you can see like all of my goodness on my memory deck swap. If you're interested in this box, I will have it linked on my website for purchase. It's a really cute 4x4 box, nice little depth. Already comes perforated and all that stuff for you. So I have it wrapped in some really pretty organza ribbon, and look how cute that is with the little window. So adorable. But the reason why I'm doing a memory decks with the swap theme of new beginnings is making new friendships, making new crafty friendships, beginning something fresh with somebody you don't know. So hopefully this will encourage you to swap with one-on-ones and things like that. So on these 3D memory decks, I have a tutorial if you don't have this punch, but just you can use a die, you can use your silhouette or what have you, but these must be the same. So if people put them in their Rolodex, it's all the same size. So I created this using a heart file from my Silhouette Cameo, and it's super cute. It's very dimensional. It doesn't have to be this dimensional, but it does need to be 3D. You don't have to be this thick for shipping purposes, but this one is just absolutely adorable. And I splashed it and whitewashed it. I fussy cut all these pieces of paper from the collection, Happy Place, the Mente. I even have a little dangle here, little bow, and then I have a bow here, and I've done some stitching, added some pearls, some Wink of Stella. Super cute. There's ribbon, there's trim, there's pop dots, there's just really cute fussy cutting paper here. And then there'll be some questions that you'll need to answer. You can put them on the back, or you can I wanted my paper to show, so I just created this little window here, little with this repositionable dot, so that I could put my information in there, and you'll have some questions to answer. You can find those questions on the website. So making new friendship, building relationships in the crafty community, part of new beginnings, loving each other, sharing each other, you know, likes and stuff. So this is the swap, new beginnings, first swap of the year 2021. I hope you guys do participate. Remember the rules, watch the video, watch the link down below to be able to read what I say in the video that I might miss. And Instagrammers, DM me, or if you do happen to have a YouTube, leave that information down below. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Please like this video. Let's get it shared so more people, you know, new people can participate. So newbies, this is your chance. If you have crafty videos uploaded and you've never dove into a group swap, you'll love it. So this is your chance to participate. New beginnings, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.